protecting your lawns because it is going to be essentially dry. As I said though, a lot of cloud around. The exception has been across Scotland. It really has been glorious once again, not just in central and southern areas, but right the way up towards Fort William. It's not until you get further to the north that we pick up a lot of low-level cloud and even the odd spot of light rain. So this afternoon, that's where the best of the weather is going to be. But having said that, there will be sunshine across Cumbria, parts of Wales and down along the south coast. To the east of England, though, here a lot more cloud, and some of that cloud will be thick enough to give 1 or 2 showers, but you're going to be very unlucky if you do catch one. So Wimbledon today looks far better than we've seen recently. The top temperature today, well, across in Scotland where we've got that sunshine, 22, 23 degrees, very pleasant indeed. Down in the south, we could just squeeze the odd 21 or 22, but where the cloud is persistent, certainly only 17 to 18. So Scotland having the best of the weather then, but I just want to show you the variabilities. You head northwards across the north of Scotland where the cloud has been thick enough to give a spot of rain. Temperatures this afternoon will only be around 14 or 16 degrees. And as you come further south, we can find contrasts like that elsewhere as well. East Anglia, for an example, across many parts, actually 16 to 18 degrees, cloudy skies, the odd spot of rain. But once you come further inland, you pick up a bit of sunshine. Temperatures, say, in Northampton will be around 19 degrees. And this is going to be indicative of what's going to happen this coming weekend. High pressure will remain with us throughout the weekend. Eventually, this low pressure system will come in from the west, but not until later on Sunday. So Wimbledon then, for finals weekend, it does look very good indeed. Dry, rather cloudy admittedly, but some sunshine coming through, and the top temperatures probably up to around a warm 22. So Saturday then, a good deal of dry and fine weather. Cloudy, yes, certainly, but some sunshine coming through, and I think we'll see subtle changes in that cloud, perhaps a bit more cloud than we've seen today across Scotland, and the chance for an odd shower in the east. Into Sunday, again another essentially dry day, but subtle changes. The wind's changing direction will bring some showers perhaps into the north and west, and late in the day we will find it clouding up across Ireland, and that's the start of the next weather front to come in from the Atlantic. The temperatures though, 20, 22, really feel quite pleasant. Into Monday, that weather front I was talking about does manage to get into northern and western areas, and by Tuesday it hasn't really made much more progress. So it does mean southern and eastern areas are going to see the best of the dry and fairly warm weather. So the rain getting into northern and western parts on Monday, fairly showery in nature, I think, though, particularly the further south you are. Top temperatures 24 on Monday, perhaps even 25 by Tuesday. That's